In this video, we're going to show you how to associate your phone number to the user for calling. Navigate to the Teams admin portal, and under Voice Phone Numbers, you should see the phone number in the list. If you're not seeing the phone number in the list, it can take Microsoft up to 20 minutes to sync over, so just wait a few minutes and try again. Once you see the phone number in the list, you can now assign it to the user. So the way to do that is you navigate to the users, select your user, click on General Information Edit, and what you will see here is Operator Connect. So select that, and you should see the phone number. And you click on the phone number, select your emergency location, and click Apply. If you're not seeing the Operator Connect button here, is because you don't have the proper license assigned to the user. To check that, you navigate to your admin panel for Microsoft, navigate to the user, and click on Licenses. So to enable the calling functionality, you need to make sure that you have Microsoft Teams Phone Standard license applied to the user. If you have Microsoft Teams Calling Plan or Microsoft Teams Business Voice license, make sure to unselect those and keep only the Teams Phone Standard license for the calling associated with the user and click Save. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for Microsoft to update the settings here. You should now see the Operator Connect. So now the phone number is fully assigned to the user. So now you can go back to Microsoft Teams Client. So if you're not seeing the phone number appear, just log out and log back into the app. So now after we log back in, you can see the phone number associated for calling. And if you go back to the Clerk app, the same phone number is associated for SMS. And that's it.